The bid's $90,000. Now $100,000. $100,000. Right, 90 asking $100,000. 90's in the room. 100, 110. $110,000 now. 100 asking 110. $110,000. The bid is on the telephone at $100,000. Asking 110. Now 120. $120,000 to you. 120. Sorry, I didn't forget about you. 120. 130. $130,000. We're at 120 asking 130. $130,000. We're at 120 asking 130. Now 140,000. 130. 140. $140,000. Now 150 internet. 140 asking 150. The bid's on the telephone at 140 asking 150. 150,000 going once. 140, 150,000 going twice. 150, 160 now. $160,000. We're at 150 asking 160, Matt. $160,000. Now 170,000 internet. 170,000. 160 on the telephone. 170,000 at 160 asking 170 going once. 160, 170 twice. Last chance, all done. $170,000. 180 now. 180,000. That was close, Matt. 180,000. 170, 80. Now 190 internet. 190,000. 180s with Matt. $190,000. 180 asking 190,000 going once. 180, 190 twice. Third and final chance at $190,000. Sold $180,000.